Hi guys. So now let us talk about the DNS, how we can configure DNS, how we can change it, and few more things, right? So let's go to the dashboard. So here you have to go to the network and then go to the DNS. So here you can do the DNS configuration for your FortiGate. So by default, if you see, we are using FortiGate servers, FortiGuard servers basically, right? So whatever they have actually the DNS server, primary DNS server, secondary DNS server, right? So these are something inbuilt we have. Right, and that's a timer we are having here to reach that one. So this will keep updating, right? And whatever time here we see, that is something to reach this IP address. So if you want to specify your own IP addresses, you can actually put. So if you, let's say, your company is holding one of the DNS server and you want to configure that, yes, you can change that IP address over here by clicking on the specify, right? Your local domain also you can add. Let's say we do have techcnc.com or something, so you can add your local domain also. Okay, DNS, you want to use this port number or not. In the TLS, you want to use this one. What exactly you want to use for the DNS protocol, you can actually opt for that, right? And right now, dynamically obtain DNS server, so that is actually from the port one what DNS we are getting. So that is actually from the DHCP what we are getting from the DHCP, on our interface. That's what it is actually, right? So this is how, if you want, you can modify your DNS configuration also.